All right, what's going on, everyone? So, today I want to show you how you can literally launch and legalize your business right away. So, this is day one. We're going to talk about legalizing your business. We're going to talk about getting insurance, where to register your business, insurance, and bonds. Okay, so let's get right into it. First things first, you're going to go to Northwest Register an Agent. They are great for if you want to get an LLC, and they can be your registered agent, meaning that they can help you to um, they will do the paperwork for you to get your LLC for whatever state you're in, right? I'm in DC, but I opened up my business in another state, right? So that's for privacy reasons and all that, right? So you're gonna go to registered agent, use them to open up your LLC, right? Very easy, very simple. You pay the money, they do it all. They're gonna register your business. Now, everyone always talks about names. Oh well, how do I pick the name for my business? Look, this is how I do it now, right? I used to just do it back in the day in my head, but I'm gonna show you how I use ChatGPT AI to help me pick a name, right? Literally, you're gonna go in, you're gonna type in today, today to be my no today be my business and branding coach while I set up my remote cleaning company. I want to expand into other home services, but I would like your help to pick a name. This is the thing. A lot of people will teach you to just launch a home service, remote cleaning company. Don't do that. You are going to be able to expand into other areas like painting, junk removal, lawn care. Those are other high ticket niches, right? I launched a painting company and I was able to make like $2,500 without painting houses, right? My first house I ever did almost made $3,000 without going out and painting a house. Doing the same thing I'm teaching with remote cleaning, right? Where you're just a middleman and you hire somebody else. So instead of just locking your name as like, I don't know, Pink Remote Cleaning Company or Pink Cleaning Company, all you're gonna be known for and branded as a cleaning company. Pick something very broad. So if you do ever decide to go that route, you could, right? So the next thing you're gonna do, you're just gonna put this into chat. Change your location and what your business name is. This is like a little fake name, but then it gave me this result. It asked me a few more questions. I want to build a very premium luxury brand. Think like Apple, all right? That's where I want to think, right? Nationwide. I want to go nationwide. I want to hit all the major cities. I know if I have a business in all the major cities, I'm gonna make so much money that money's not gonna be a problem, right? I want a name that people think it's like a very big mega corporation. You may want to be just in your local area, mom and pop. That's nothing wrong. It all depends on how you want to build your business, right? And then now I got a great name. I like this one. It was good. And then after that, I told him to give me a logo. Boom, that's my business right there, right? And then all I'm gonna do now, I'll take this name, go to Northwest Registered Agent, sign it up, then go to Hixacox. This is where you're gonna get your insurance for your business. All you're gonna click is get a quote, and then you'll put in your address and just follow the steps. Super easy, right? And then go get bonded as well. All you're gonna do is come here, and then get a bond for your business, right? That's it. You can even call them and talk to an expert, and they'll walk you through it. It's not expensive. It is great, but you want to make sure you get insurance and you get bonded for your business. This is amazing. So this is literally how you're just going to legalize your business. That's like day one. You have to do this. This is a foundational step. Do that right now, and then look out for day two.